Welcome back. In our previous class, we have started solving equations that has to do with number bases. So today we will continue, but we will step up the game. We will add a little more complexity. We are still going to solve more complexity upon complexity until we get to the point where we know that yes, we are comfortable. After that, we will go to the next concept after number bases. Remember that whenever you want to solve anything that has to do with equational basis, please remember that base 10 is your friend. Convert every left hand to base 10, convert every right hand to base 10. Are you getting me? Then you cannot begin to solve. To my best understanding, even if we are given binary, all this 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 0, 1 is equal to, are you getting me? So you can easily work with binary, you can easily work with decimal compared to any other thing. Are you getting me? So now let's progress to this particular lecture and see what we're going to have today. So this is the problem. We are to solve y base 3 square is equal to 301 base 4. We are to find y. We have to find y. So if you want to find y, what do we need to do? We know that we have to take the left hand side and the right hand side, convert them to base 10, and then proceed to solve an equation. So the first thing that we need to do is to take y base 3 and convert it to base 10. Using that, we can see that y base 3 is equal to y times 3 because it's just only one digit. So that 3 is going to be 0 and 3 plus 0 equals to 1. This is y times 3. This is y times 1. So automatically, this is what equals y. This is equals y. Are you getting me? Now let us now convert 301 base 4 to base 10. So what do we do? 301 multiplied by 4, 3 is 0 multiplied by 4, 1 multiplied by 4. So from the right to our left, we'll number the power of 4 in increasing order from 0, 1 to 2. Then what do? We add everything together. So once we had everything together, what are we going to get for this? Let us see what we're going to get for this. For this one, 4 raised to power 2, this is equal to 16 multiplied by 3, that's equal to 48. So this is equal to 0, anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, this is equal to 1. So everything here is what? 49. Yeah, 49. So automatically, what are we having? We are having y. We are having y that is converted, this one. I get me, that is converted, and we have square on it. That's the reason why we have the square in this place. Are you getting me? So it's now become y square is equal to equals 49. That's to say we need to take the square root of both sides, and if you take the square root of 49, what are you going to get? So answer is going to be what? Y equals what? Equals 7 in base 10. So this is our answer to y in base 10. It is not more than that. You see, we are still going to be giving you some assignment that you are going to be playing around with after classes, but not today. That will be the next class where we are going to be start giving you assignment. So but we implore you that you should go on to many of your mathematics textbook and see anyway you can have some question be asked like this and try to solve it around. There is no perfection in doing things. You just have to continue doing it until you get everything right. Now there is another jingle that can be applied here. Are you getting me? There's another jingle that can be applied here. They can give you answer in base 10, but if you look at your option and you see that there is no 7 base 10 among answers, it means that they have converted this particular 7 to another base. Are you getting me? You are not going to be looking at all those bases and see which one is correct answer. They can decide to represent this answer in base 2. They can decide to represent this answer in base 3. They can decide to represent it in base 4. Are you getting me? It depends on what they want to do. But what they want you to know is that for everything that you are doing, there are basic principles. If you want to convert this 7 to any other base, you need to apply the principle of continuous division. Thank you for listening. This is the end of the class today. A B P.